What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk and No Premium back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today we put in a pretty nasty hammer candle, and they waited all the way to the end of the day to really just rip this thing on up higher, and they did it right before a very heavily awaited CPI print that does come out tomorrow. So you can see we had a big sell-off today, really just moved sideways, only to have this thing rip higher into the close and equal highs, which gave us pretty much we can look at here is this hammer candle on the daily with some decent volume. So what does that mean for tomorrow? Well, let's just go over here and check. CPI comes out 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we'll likely see a big move pre-market. Then it only gets even spicier. FOMC minutes comes out 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now let's not get this confused with the actual meeting. This is just the minute. So there's no PAL that is going to be on after the data drop at about 2 p.m. It's just going to be a bunch of headline bombs, pretty much discussing the last meeting of last month, right? So pay attention there. Let's go to the charts here now. Looking at the ES, I'm going to look to play within this range here. Okay. Going to play within this range. I really like the longs at 51.60. If we do get a little, okay, if we do get a little overreactive sell, I think 51.60, I'd like to take a long. I like to sell 53.20s if we get up there. Okay, of course, so we are in an uptrend, so I will be looking for favor a break and hold of 53.22 should we react and get that high. But initially, play the bounce down at 51.90, 51.60, play the reject at 53.21 and then get on with your day. Let's look at the NQ chart here now on the daily. Same thing. I'm going to have the same type of game plan here. Don't need to go any lower than a one-day chart here. NQ, okay, 18,000 or 17,800. 18,000, 17,800, those are going to be my bounce levels. If not, 18,600, I'm going to look to sell. If we break and hold there, then get long and strong to pretty much 19,000, I think we'll be on tap from there. Let's go to the SPY chart here. It's going to be all the same, all of the daily chart today. We're going to play within our ranges, right? We guys can see we have these. If I could, that'd be great. See this range playing out right here? So the same thing, 508 to 510. I'm going to look to be a buyer down in this range down here. Okay. Also happens to be the 50 SMA on the daily. If you're an SMA guy or gal, there you go. There's your bounce. So 508 to 510, I'm looking to play the bounce. I'm going to reject 524 for the put sided trade. Now, if we do break and hold above, obviously get long and strong on the call side on a break and hold of 524. QQQ. Same thing. Sound like a broken record here, right? Play the range, see the range, play the range. Okay, we're going to take the bounce at 433. There is a massive gap here on the daily that you can see all the way down to about 426. So I think 433, I think they'll hold strong there. If we do test down, already bouncing off our 50 SMA here on the daily NQ, or excuse me, QQQ. So 433, I'd look to take the bounce. 448, I'm going to be a seller. 448 to about 449, I will be a seller up here in the zone. Now, should we break above 449.50, then get long and strong. IWM. IWM getting nice and compressed, nice and tight. CTM squeeze looks like it could be ready to fire here. And if so, as long as we hold 203 or 200, I like to bounce at 200. We hold 203, look to take out 209 to the upside, opens up 212 and 220 above. There, guys, that's all I got for you. As always, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you right early. Peace.